What is up, YouTube? Happy Mother's Day. I hope that you got the chance to spend some time with those you love today. And I went with my mom to the Brooklyn Museum. We had a great time. And anyway, let me ask you a question. What is the biggest problem with making money online? Well, you've probably heard before the money is in the list. It's a very common thing. Everybody says it, the money's in the list, money's in the list, money's in the list. And you're probably told that if you need traffic, then you need to drive, if you get traffic, then you need to drive it first to a list so you can capture the email addresses, because people who buy one thing are probably going to buy other things from you. Okay, that's just the reality of any business that you're going to be running. You want to be able to sell more than one item to people, and that's why I have a YouTube channel. That's why I have an email list. Now, here's the problem. The best way that I was told, anyway, when I first started, to build a list is to sell your own product. Now, that sounds good in theory. In practice, not always so simple, because for one simple reason. You see, you build your own product. Let's say you do have a good product, okay? You still got to get other people who have existing lists to sell it on your behalf. And a lot of those people will not sell on your behalf because they're going to take a look and say, oh, no, 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 you don't have any list. I'm not going to sell for you because you don't have any ability to reciprocate to me. That's, especially in the make money online world, reciprocation is a big deal. So the problem always is, how exactly do you build a list if nobody's willing to go ahead and sell on your behalf, and you maybe put together a great product, but just because you put together a great product doesn't mean anybody's going to see it. It's kind of a chicken and egg problem. Well, my friend Dawood Islam has come up with a solution with Fast List. Now it's actually showing you 10 different methods for how to build a list, and I also have the perfect bonus for you. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of Fast List now. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull no successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, and by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. All those pastries and other goodies that you bought from mom, by next week, they're all going to be awful and stale and as bad as my jokes. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? It's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, seriously, you know, why don't you take a day off? You know, go to whatever the museum is where you live with your mom. You know, it's Mother's Day. Seriously, guy doesn't take a day off. Hey, but seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like about it, we'll give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here of life and mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here of life and mindset and entrepreneurship. Well, thank you, Liz. Let me see. I love Liz. You know, hey, she's a mom now. You know, we saw it in that the new 30 Rock episode that they made during the pandemic. You know, where she's wearing a mask and stuff, and it's kind of basically all takes place on Zoom because it was during the pandemic, so they couldn't really have people get together for an actual thing. It was actually, considering when it was made, it was actually not bad. But anyway, seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now, actually, let me show you this first. This is the sales page for Fast List now. Now, you see, Dawood is a great guy, but he does himself a disservice, I personally think, because what he does is he puts up the same exact proof shots, these things. And he does do serious sales, okay? Dad would definitely make serious sales. This stuff is old. Okay, this is from a year ago now, basically. All right, from July 2020. And I have never been a fan of him doing this because, to my mind, you know what? Put up what you're going to go ahead and actually make money off of. Now, here's the thing, though. The methods that Dad was going to talk about, and his friend Oscar is going to talk about in this course, that actually led largely to this kind of success. That's why I'm not, boycotting this, because I think that this can happen with the kind of methods that Dad is going to show you in this course. And that's something that I wouldn't ordinarily say, but in this particular case, yeah, you really can build an effective list with the free methods that I was going to show you. I do want to tell you about my custom bonus, though, because as always, I have the best custom bonus. So for those on my email list, I already sent an email this morning letting you know that you are getting PLR. That means full rights to sell, giveaway, use as a bonus, 10 of my best courses, and they do feature me, yours truly, so you can use my name in order to build your authority. That's a big deal. Very few people who are well known in PLR will allow you to do that. I'm one of the very few people who does this. You do have the right to use my name to say that I created it, and that really does offer a lot of cachet when you're going to go out and try to offer this as a bonus to get people to sign up to your email list. It's a big deal. Okay, it really is a big deal. But I decided, since that time, I decided I'm adding something on. In addition to giving you PLR to 10 of my best courses, I'm also going to give you my own bonus page. And I'm going to show you how to do it with completely free software. This is a very big deal as well. You get to use completely free software to go ahead and create bonus pages, because bonus pages are really important when doing affiliate marketing, especially when you're starting out, especially when you're building a list to start off with. The thing is like this. People might take a look and not buy the thing that you're promoting, which is fine. That can happen. But what you want to do is you want to drive people to take a look at a bonus review page first. And the reason is that this cuts down on the number of clicks that are going directly to the sales page. Now, that might seem like a bad thing, but it's actually a good thing, because that means that your conversion rate, the number of sales you make per number of clicks that you get, is going to be higher. So let's say that you get 100 people clicking your link, okay? And out of 100 people, 6 people decide to buy. All right, so that's going to be a 6% conversion rate, which is probably the minimum that you want to be getting for anything that you're going to be promoting, is on Warrior Plus at least. I think for most things, 6% I don't think is really all that wonderful. I've usually done about 8 to 10% conversions, and I know people who do 30, 40% because they get a lot of sales of the upsells as well. But with a bonus page, what basically is going to happen is that instead of people clicking directly on the sales page, they're going to first click on the bonus page. I'm going to show you how to do it with completely free software. They'll take a look. Those who are really interested are going to click further and say, okay, yeah, I want to buy, okay, because you've whetted their appetite, you got them excited about it, and they want to buy it now. All right, and that means that your conversion rate is higher. Once your conversion rate is higher, you're more likely to get approved for affiliate promotions. Okay, this happens with a lot of people, that they try to send traffic direct to their sales page. I had it happen to me with one of my launches, where somebody sent like about 500 or 600 clicks to my sales page, and he was excited because he got one sale out of it. Okay, now the trouble is that when he sends 600 clicks to my sales page and he gets one sale out of it, that means that overall my conversion rate goes down. So that instead of a conversion rate for my products, which typically is about 15%, that particular product had a conversion rate of about 6 or 7%, which is really bad, because bigger affiliates, the people who can send 100 sales, are taking a look and they're saying, yeah, I'm not going to promote this thing when I'm getting 6 sales out of 100. Okay, even though the reality is that the numbers are skewed because one person sent a whole bunch of bad traffic that didn't convert. So you want to be able to use a bonus page. That's what my YouTube videos are for. Eventually, we're going to start doing bonus pages again on my new website once it's finished. we're going to start doing bonus pages as well. You'll be directed to a bonus page, and then you, from the bonus page, you go ahead and click the sales page. And it does work. Consistently, it works. It actually improves your sales numbers, believe it or not, because people want to see what the bonuses are. That's why I tell you about the bonuses here on YouTube, at least, because I want you to know what the bonuses are before you go in and click on the sales page. And again, so you're going to get those things. Pick up any upgrade, by the way, and I'm going to also give you PLR to my new masterclass, my 7-part masterclass. I know a couple of people already got it. If you already got it, send an email to our support staff. We'll take care of getting something else. Let us know. But if you didn't get it, it's really, really good. It's a 7-part video. You get full PLR to it that you're able to sell, give away. And again, you can mention my name. So let's go and take a quick look at the members area. Excuse me. It's a standard members area. You can see there's 10 different methods. Most of these are free methods, by the way, for being able to gather a list. They don't necessarily rely on creating a product and then, you basically are stuck saying, "Oh my God, Eric, how do I get people to promote my products?" And by the way, that's one of the things I talked about in my masterclass, how to get people to promote your products. That's something you're going to learn about if you pick up any upgrade to this Fast List Now course. Okay, again, there's 10 different methods. He also does include a few things. He has free squeeze pages, basically to capture email addresses. That's really important. And again, with my bonus, you're also going to get my bonus page, so you can actually go ahead and use my bonus page to improve your sales numbers, which can make a massive difference in getting approved on Warrior Plus and JVZoo, because people who have 0.1% conversion rates, that tells me they're not using a bonus page and they're seeing a lot of junk traffic. I won't approve people like that anymore, because I know that's going to tank my numbers overall, so I won't do it. All right, so this is a very big deal. And again, by the way, check this out. Check the price out on this thing, because you got to see, we're not talking about something that costs a fortune, okay? It's $12. 12 lousy dollars, all right? Seriously. 12 bucks, you can go ahead and buy this thing, and you're going to be all set. All right, you're going to get my 10 videos as a bonus. All right, you're going to get my bonus page as a bonus. All right, pick up any upgrade. You also get my 7-part masterclass with full PLR. So I think that's a really, really good deal. Let's go ahead and see if I'm going to go ahead and give a tip my hands up product creator or not.
You rock!
Oh yeah, that was pretty obvious, right? You do rock. Look, Dad always puts together good stuff. I'm still not a big fan of him putting up those same proof shots from a year ago. I think that that's a mistake. But the fact of the matter is that these methods do work. I've used them myself, and they do actually work to get you started building that list, so you can start seeing some sales numbers, and then you can start turning that into making your own product and getting more people to promote for you, and eventually becoming a 6-figure marketer like I am. Not to toot my own horn, but that's what I am. I am a 6-figure marketer. You can be one too. Go ahead and grab this one. This one you're going to love.